Okay, so to get started with creating your very first automation within your account, once you've logged in and you found yourself here on the dashboard, click on Automation tab here on the left-hand sidebar. This will automatically redirect us to the Workflows tab within the Automation section. And this is where we can start managing all of our existing and newly created workflows and automation. So to create a new automation, or workflow as it's called inside of the software, click on Create Workflow up here in the top right corner. This will then prompt us to either select from a recipe or a pre-built template, or to start from scratch. If you wanted to select a recipe, by clicking on that, it's going to open up a new page with an entire list of pre-built templates and automations inside of here that we've created for you. If you'd rather go down this route, just click select on the automation that you'd want, personalize it within a few clicks, and you're going to have an automation pre-built, up and running and active in your business within just a matter of minutes. However, for the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to go back and we're going to select start from scratch. So after this, it's going to open up the workflow builder within your account. So now there's a couple things we need to bear in mind here in the workflow builder. We have a couple of tabs up here at the top, such as builder, settings, enrollment history, and execution logs. We have test workflow, draft and publish, save, and the history tab here next to the save button. So if we go to settings before we dive into the actual builder,